Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I draw my cats. This is just a quick little draft for you guys. Okay, so I start off by drawing a circle on it. Doesn't have to be accurate. Then I just sketch a pair of ears on with a little smaller triangle inside. With the face, I draw 2 round circles. Then I draw a triangle with smelling little freckles. Then I draw 4. You can draw as many as you like, whiskers on. Then I draw a body on them with some legs. And then I just put some fur, and we can put some colour on them. Even on the ears, just all on the edge around the cut, just like that. And you can, this is just a sketch of like my cat, and my cat's name is Lily. So then just get some colours. She's black and white, so that means I just need black. She looks like she's got white socks on with like a white V on her, and she's got a bit of white on her chin. Not my best drawing, guys. I can draw a lot better than this. At some point I'll show you some of my sketches. In my next video I'll show you my art book. And just like that. You can't see her anymore. Just like got a felt tip that's black and just drawn the details back on. Just like that. And that's just basically a so yeah, so subscribe guys, and bye. Hope you enjoyed. Please comment and rate as well as subscribe. It'll make me happy. Bye.